In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Monopoly Go not compatible with your device. Hey there, are you eager to get into Monopoly Go, but you're facing that annoying error message that says it's not compatible with your device? Don't worry, this guide will walk you through some steps to potentially resolve those compatibility issues and get you back into the game. First off, let's check your device compatibility. This might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how often this step is overlooked. Make sure your device meets the minimum requirements for Monopoly Go. To do this, visit the App Store page and check the compatibility section. You should see if your device model is listed there. Also, double-check that your operating system is up to date with at least the minimum version required by the game. If your device is running an outdated version of iOS or Android, consider updating to the latest version that's available. Next, we move on to clearing the cache and data. This can often resolve glitches that might be causing the issue. Head over to your device's settings, navigate to Apps or App Manager, and find Monopoly Go on the list. Tap on Storage, then choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. Remember, clearing data may reset game progress that isn't backed up, so proceed with caution if you haven't saved your progress. If clearing the cache and data doesn't do the trick, let's try reinstalling Monopoly Go. Start by uninstalling the game from your device completely. Once you've done that, restart your device. After it boots back up, return to the App Store and download Monopoly Go again. Reinstalling can often resolve hidden compatibility issues by ensuring you've got the latest version available. Another critical aspect to consider is your device's storage space. A lack of storage can prevent apps from running smoothly or even from installing correctly. Go into your device's storage settings to make sure you have enough free space for Monopoly Go and its updates. If you're running low, free up space by deleting unused apps, videos, or photos. Having adequate storage is crucial for smooth installs and optimal app performance. If, after all these efforts, you're still not able to play the game, try using an alternate device. Some devices, due to hardware limitations, might not support newer apps efficiently. Consider borrowing a friend's device that meets the requirements or testing it on a tablet if you have access to one. This helps determine if the issue is specific to your current device. Finally, if none of these solutions work, do reach out to the game's customer support team. They can offer detailed assistance with technical problems and may provide specific patches or solutions based on your device's make and model. They might also give you insights into any upcoming updates that could resolve your compatibility issues. Dealing with Monopoly Go not being compatible with your device can be frustrating, but by following these steps, you should be on your way to resolving the problem. Always make sure your device is up to date and keep an eye out for game updates. If all else fails, reaching out to customer support could provide a way forward. Happy gaming!